In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock Note on Samsung. So if you're using the Samsung Note, you can easily lock the Note on your device like this. Then if anyone is trying to open the Note, then you'll be prompted to type in the Note password or unlock the Note with your fingerprint. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to lock a Note or notes on your Samsung device. So the first thing you want to do is open the Note application on your device. Click on the settings gear icon. Now tap Note unlock methods, and here you can use your fingerprint to unlock your notes on your Samsung phone. Just tap fingerprint, and here that you'll be prompted to type in your PIN. Go ahead, once typing the password, click on the done button, and then you see the fingerprint enabled. You can also click on this to change password. Now come back to the note, and then you see the note locked. And now you'll be prompted to unlock the note with your fingerprint. Then press and hold the fingerprint slot to unlock this note. That is it. So this is how to lock Note on Samsung phone. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.